What's up, guys? It's your girl Alexis Makai. If you want to see how I achieve these arrogante slash Jada edges, well, trial run, because I ain't perfect, make sure you guys keep watching. The links to this hair will be in the description box below. This wig is 24 inches and I'm just obsessed with it. It looks so natural and like so good. Like, it looks so good. Like, giving Scapiana, and I didn't tie it down like I supposed to, so when I do tie it down, it's gonna give Scapiana. I was rushing. This is a rushed hairstyle look, but I look so good. So make sure you head over to Asteria Hair, I think that's how you pronounce it, and tell them Lex sent you. What's up, guys? So the hair that I have in my head is Asteria Hair. This is how it looks. So this is the hairline. I already plucked it a lot. So we're gonna install this hair. It's the cat looking like a scalp for me. So I'm gonna get this flat look. So I'm gonna spray this down. Next, we're using our hot combs. So now I'm gonna, it's not hot enough yet, but y'all see that skip? Okay guys, so I had to record on my phone because my other phone, my camera is dead. So you kind of can see I'm doing it. I'm still learning how to do it, but once I get good at it, I'm gonna be cold. Okay, so I decided to go with like a high ponytail. I look crazy right now. I gotta do this side because this side looks crazy. Okay guys, so this is the finished results. I'm about to do my makeup and stuff. Super cute. I'm gonna do my makeup and I'll be back. What's up guys? So this is the finished results of my hair. Absolutely love it. Ouch. Absolutely love my hair. Look how, oh, moment of silence. My makeup, everything is so freaking bomb. This hair is so pretty. It's 24 inches and the links and stuff will be in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. Okay, tell them like essential. Get into it. Oh, look at me in the mirror. Get in fucking to it. Okay,